Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Wow Maths. Today we are going to do the chapter fraction from grade 6th, exercise 7.1, question number 4 to 11 from NCERT book. So in the first question, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Before starting this question, let's understand what do you mean by the fraction. Fraction is basically apart from a whole. When we are talking about apart from a whole, that is called the fraction. So in this question, we need to calculate the fraction of a day in 8 hours. So one day is equal to 24 hours. So the required fraction is out of 24 hours, we are taking 8 hours. So the fraction is 8 by 24. So we can after cutting it, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So the final fraction is 1 by 3. Fifth question, we need to calculate what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the required fraction is out of 60 minutes, we are writing 40 minutes in the numerator. We are always going to write the total in the denominator. So we have total 60 minutes here and we are taking 40 minutes out of 60. So after cutting the numbers 0 from 0, 2 twos are 2 threes are. So 2 by 3 is the final fraction. Number 6, there are 3 friends, Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. They are sharing the lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches. One is made up of vegetable and one is the jam sandwich. But rest of 2 friends, Abhimanyu and Vivek, they forgot to bring their lunch. So now Arya is going to share his sandwiches so that each person will get the equal share of each sandwich. So in first part they are asking how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share. नाउ आर्या को कितने में डिवाइड करना है सैंडविच को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है सो वो क्या करेगा ही इज गोइंग टू गिव 1 पार्ट ऑफ ईच सैंडविच हर एक सैंडविच का एक पार्ट अपने फ्रेंड को देगा इन द सेकेंड पार्ट दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ अ सैंडविच विल ईच बॉय रिसीव तो हर एक बॉय को कितना सैंडविच मिलेगा आउट ऑफ द 3 पार्ट्स each and every boy is going to get 1 sandwich. So the fraction is 1 by 3 of each sandwich means 1 by 3 of the jam sandwich and 1 by 3rd of vegetable sandwich. In question number 7, Kanchan dye dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. उसको 30 dresses dye करनी है. She has so far finished 20 dresses. उसने अभी तक 20 dresses डाई कर दी हैं सो व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ड्रेसेस हैज शी फिनिश्ड तो उसने अभी तक कितनी ड्रेसेस डाई कर दी हैं फिनिश कर दी हैं उसका हमें फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट करना है सो द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ड्रेसेस शी हैज फिनिश्ड इज 20 आउट ऑफ 30 देयर आर टोटल 30 ड्रेसेस उसमें से उसने 20 ड्रेसेस डाई कर दिए सो वी आर गोइंग टू कट 0 फ्रॉम 0 सो द फाइनल फ्रैक्शन इज 2 by 3. Question number 8. We need to write the natural numbers from 2 to 12 and what fraction of them are prime numbers. इसमें दो चीजें आपने करनी है फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द नेचुरल नंबर जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर है 2 से 12 के बीच में सो द नेचुरल नंबर फ्रॉम 2 to 12 इज 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 these all are natural number so the total natural numbers if we are going to count these numbers they are 11. Okay, so now we are going to recognize and find what are the prime numbers out of these natural numbers given in between 2 to 12. So इस 2 से 12 के बीच के जो natural number है इसमें से जो prime numbers हैं they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Prime numbers are those numbers which only has 2 factors only. या उसका factor 1 होता है या फिर number itself होता है. Those numbers are called the prime numbers. So there are total 5 prime numbers. Okay. So the fraction for it is 5 by 11. Out of 11 natural number, 5 numbers are prime numbers. So in the same manner, the next question number 9, we need to write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Again, the first we are going to write all natural numbers between 102 and 103. As you can see, I have written all the natural numbers between 102 to 103 from 102 to 113. So the total natural number is 12 here. So if we're going to count, they are 12 in number. So out of these natural numbers, the prime numbers are 103, 107, 109 and 113. So the fraction for the prime numbers are, out of 12, 4 numbers are prime. So the fraction is 4 by 12. So if I'm going to cut the numbers, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So I got my fraction as 1 by 3. Question number 10. We need to find the fraction of the circles. As you can see here, one figure is given in which total 8 circles are there और उसमें से 4 circles में ऐसे x लगे हुए हैं, cross. So you need to find the fraction of these circles which is having x's in them. जिनके बीच में x का sign बना हुआ है, उसका fraction निकालना है. So the total number of circle 8. Number of circles which have x's is 4. So the fraction is 4 by 8. Out of 8, we have 4 circles in which axis is there. So now we are going to cut 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So the answer is 1 by 2. In question number 11, there is a girl named Christine. She received a CD player for her birthday. So अब उसको CD player मिला, so she bought 3 CDs and received 5 other as gift. So total उसके पास कितनी CDs हो गई? 8 CDs होगी. 3 CDs जो उसने बाय की हैं और 5 CDs जो उसको एज अ गिफ्ट मिली है. आपको दो चीजें इसमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy? So the fraction of her total CDs she buy, उसने 3 CDs खरीदी थी out of 8. So the fraction is 3 by 8. And the next, the fraction did she received as a gift. So the fraction of the total CDs that received as gift is 5 out of 8. These are the CDs which received to her as a gift. If you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and share my video, and don't forget to hit the notification button for the future updates. In my next video, I am going to take exercise 7.2 of the same chapter, fraction only, for grade 6th. Thank you so much.